Hello dear students. Today we will be revising the second part of alcohols, phenols and ethers, that is phenols. Classification of phenols. Depending on the number of hydroxyl groups attached, phenols can be classified into three types. Monohydric phenols. They contain one hydroxyl group, example phenol. Dihydric phenols. They contain two hydroxyl groups, example benzene, 1,2-diol. Trihydric phenols. They contain three hydroxyl groups, example benzene, 1,2,3-triol. Preparation of phenols from haloarenes. When chlorobenzene is fused with sodium hydroxide at 623 Kelvin and 320 atmospheric pressure, sodium phenoxide is produced. Finally, sodium phenoxide on acidification gives phenol. Preparation of phenols from diazonium salts. Benzene diazonium chloride on hydrolysis, phenol is formed. Preparation of phenols from cumene. Upon oxidation of cumene in the presence of air, cumene hydroperoxide is formed. On further treatment with dilute acid, phenols are obtained. Acetone is also produced as one of the byproducts. Electrophilic substitution reaction with dilute nitric acid. When phenol is heated with dilute nitric acid, mixture of orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol is formed. With concentrated nitric acid. When phenol is heated with concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid as catalyst, 2,4,6-trinitrophenol is formed, also called as picric acid. Bromination with bromine in carbon tetrachloride or carbon disulfide. When phenol is heated with bromine in presence of carbon tetrachloride or carbon disulfide, mixture of orthobromophenol and parabromophenol is formed. With bromine in water. When phenol is heated with bromine in water, 2,4,6-tribromophenol is formed. Call-base reaction. When sodium phenoxide is heated with carbon dioxide at 413 Kelvin and 6 to 7 atmospheric pressure, sodium salicylate is formed, which on acidification with HCl, salicylic acid is formed. Reimer-Tiemann reaction. When phenol is refused with mixture of sodium hydroxide and chloroform at 333 Kelvin, sodium salt of salicylate is formed, which on acidification with HCl, salicylaldehyde is formed. Reaction of phenol with zinc. When phenol is heated with zinc, it is reduced to benzene. Oxidation of phenol. When phenol is oxidized with potassium dichromate or sodium dichromate, diketone is formed. Friedel-Crafts acylation. When phenol is heated with acetyl chloride, phenyl acetate is formed. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay connected. Goodbye.